8 divided by 4 gives us 2, obviously. And again, 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. And then 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Do you think that's the correct answer? Unfortunately not. So pause the video and think about it. The reason is that you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And this trap is called the order of operations. If you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, I'll have to tell you, yes, there is an order of operations, and this is called PEMDAS, because without PEMDAS, you would be lost. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS and never be lost. But what is PEMDAS? Let's talk about PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. So here we have the highest, and here we have the lowest priority. What does PEMDAS mean? PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority, so I can't emphasize enough. They have the same precedence. And again, go for addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's revisit now our original problem. So 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. It is just a bunch of division. So because it is just division, go from left to right. No parentheses, no exponents, just division. We must go from left to right. Your problem, your mistake was that you assumed, that was an optical illusion, I believe. You assumed these are paired, or you assume these are inside brackets or parentheses, but in reality they are not. So we must go from left to right. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2, obviously. So 2 divided by 8, and then divided by 4. 2 divided by 8, we can write it as a fraction. 2 divided by 8, which gives us, if we simplify that, gives us 1/4 or 1/4. So let's now replace 1/4 here. So 1/4 divided by 4 gives us what? So pay attention, this is not a multiplication. You can't say 1, it's impossible. So maybe a quick tip here. If you want to divide maybe a number by a fraction, let's say by m over n, you can change the sign into multiplication and reciprocate the fraction. In simple terms, flip the upper side and the lower side of the fraction and turn it into multiplication. So 1/4 divided by 4, it is the same thing as 1/4 times reciprocal of this number is 1/4. And the final answer is, so 1 times 1 gives us 1. And 4 times 4 gives us 16. And that's the rule for multiplying fractions. You should multiply the numerators at first and then multiply the denominator at first. And that's the final and the only correct answer. So please write your answers in the comments below. And for your homework, what would the answer be if we had this 8 divided by 4 inside the brackets and squared? So like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me.